Oh, YouTube has done it again. I saw thank you. Then when I read the highlights, you're welcome back again to my channel. As you all know, this is Joy Bliss Concept. It's been a while like doing a sit down video like this on this channel, but this time around I just had to do this. I ought to have done this video sometimes last week, but I came down with flu, but I'm better now to the glory of God. This video is going to be in two parts. So one is just to let you know that this channel is 2 years old. In case you don't know, Joy Bliss Concepts clocked 2 years on the 16th of March this year. So that's the first part. And the second part is the unboxing of my YouTube gift. See, I may not be jumping to show my excitement, but I'm really excited. But first, let me do a general appreciation first because if the channel wasn't growing, probably I wouldn't have been recognized. Yes. I may not have gotten to where I want to be on this channel. Like, this channel is still growing, but we are definitely, because it's not about me now, we, because it's our channel now. Yeah. So, but we are definitely not where we used to be on this channel. Let me quickly give you a brief history of this channel before I go to the unboxing of this gift. I opened this channel 2 years ago, precisely March 16. Then I just had my baby and I got motivated. I was like, I'm good at creating things with my hands. So let me just create this channel like for people to be able to watch and also create. You get, that was just the main aim of creating this channel, and it was growing. It was looking as if it was not growing, but it was actually growing. Before the end of 1 year, we clocked 1,000 subscribers. Although I couldn't get up to the watch hours, but I knew that it will always get better. Then last year, March 16, you see, this March 16 is a remarkable day which I will never forget. March 16 last year, we relocated from Nigeria down to the UK. And that period, I think I also put it on my community tab that I just moved. So it's going to affect my content creation for that period because I needed to get a place to buy a sewing machine, to get familiar with the environment where um, sewing things were being sold. Though I still try to upload little content, though not the sewing ones, just to keep the channel busy. It's not easy to relocate to another country, not just relocating maybe like from one state to another. This one is to another country, so it took me a while to acclimatize. In fact, I'm still acclimatizing. You get, so that was really what happened. Please don't mind my voice. I sound deeper than I used to sound. Please. So that was how it was last year, and we're getting better. And I knew I did a live session on my birthday asking you guys' opinions on how this channel can actually be better. Yeah, because no man is an island of wisdom. Yes, we learn from each other every day. So on my own, I was like, I will improve on my own content creation, like bring you more solid things. Even though yes, I do DIYs, but there are some DIYs that you will see, you will marvel. So I also said I will be doing more of sewing, yes, which I've really improved on. Though I still add little craft work, but I do more of sewing because I just felt it wasn't great to my taste. You get, at a point the views were going down, and I still made you guys to know that I was happy. You guys are no longer watching my videos. But when I started bringing up sewing tutorials, I discovered that the views started increasing and people were really supporting me. Those that take out time to share my videos, yeah, people really, I was really happy at the growth, at least towards the end of say last year till now. And I was like, I've not really gotten to that part where yes, monetization and the rest, but I kept on hoping for the best for the channel. Since I started this YouTube channel, I used to hear some of my fellow YouTubers, they will tell you they got a gift from YouTube, this and that, that and this. I have never gotten, and I was not even expecting. The period I was expecting a package from YouTube, it never came. So I just stopped expecting. So on the 16th of this month, we are still in March, I just started thinking, bringing back old memories. I said, oh, it's already a year, I moved down here. So that day, I went to pick my kids from school and I saw this delivery man. He was trying to press the bell. I said, excuse me, how may I help you? And he said, am I Joy? That was how I asked. I said, yes. He said, you've got a package. I was like, I didn't order anything. Where is this package coming from? I checked the package very well. I actually saw my name, my address, everything. So it's not like it was a wrong identity or something. I collected it. So when I got inside, I checked. I was trying to look and look to be sure of. I just opened it a little. I've not really done the proper unboxing. I said I will unbox it with you guys. You guys will see it. So when I opened it, I didn't really understand the excuse me, I didn't really understand the way the whole thing was. So if I, initially I was guessing it was like a, like if you look at it, it looks like a footpath, like where you can step on. So I was thinking it was even a weight loss machine. What do I even know? So I was just checking. I didn't see something very spectacular. Then I saw this. That was when I knew that, oh, YouTube has done it again. I saw thank you. Then when I read the the beautiful message at the back, it melted my heart. I was like, so all this content I've been creating, they've been seeing it. That is why I will encourage you, whatever you are doing, don't think nobody sees it. Just keep doing it. As long as you know that what you are doing is helpful, just keep doing it. You don't know the person you are motivating. I enjoy what I do on this channel. If not, there will always be a time in one's life you will just feel like relating. But because it's what I enjoy, when I go on my sewing machine, you see me happy because it's what I enjoy doing. So I just told myself, I'm not going to stop this thing anytime soon. There are sometimes you just feel down, sometimes you feel, happy. So that, by the way, I said I will read this out for you guys to hear. Hey creator, we are so excited to have you as a part of our YouTube Shorts creator community and can't wait to see what we can achieve together. We hope our token of appreciation will add a bit of light to your creativity journey. We look forward to seeing more of your creations. So basically, I saw this. I told my husband, I said, this is from YouTube. I was very happy. But then I didn't understand the nature of the gift. I was trying to check for the manual. So I was not really, I was not in a very good state to look at it very well. So a few days ago, I was surfing YouTube. I saw that my fellow YouTuber, Cindy Apollo, put this same gift, this thing, she put it on her community tab. I said, oh, is that what this thing is? I was like, oh, I can't wait to unbox my, at least let me unbox it to you guys so that I can also put the picture too on my channel. So she saying how hers is. I was like, okay, I don't have an idea of how this should look. So you can see it's still in the pack. I've not removed it yet. So now we are going to unbox this. Again, before I forget, just this week we hit 2,500 subscribers. To God be the glory. And I appreciate you guys for supporting me. See, I don't know how to thank you guys enough. I say, 2005? 2005, I knew how stressful it was to even get my first 50 subscribers, and now we are 2005 subscribers. So we are actually growing. We are growing. We are growing. So without saying too much, I want to begin to remove it from the pack. Um, I noticed that this has lights, so there will be a time I will put off this light so that it can beam. It's going to be shining. But let's just keep unboxing. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I don't know how to quantify this happiness. I'm really, 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 really happy. You guys are the real MVP. Okay? Okay, so I've just removed this from the pack. This is the, let me take my camera down so you can see what I'm doing very clearly. So I hope you guys can see my face and my package. I've removed this from the pack, so I'm also going to remove this. So I believe this should fit into this place. So I believe this is for the base. So let this one just stand here for a while. Oh, this is lovely. Ah, hey. Eh. So these are the cords. I'm just going to put them up. Anytime I do any sit down video like this, just know that this will always be there. You will see this. And I think I'll be using this more on my other channel because I do more of sit down videos on my other channel. You know, I can put this on the table when I'm cutting fabric. But anytime I happen to have like a sit down videos like this, just know that you guys will always see this. You will always see this. So I've just opened this up, and then this is an adapter. I don't really know where this one fits in now, but I will check. I'm going to check. Okay, I've seen it. I've seen it. So this goes into this. Then this is the remote controller. Very simple remote. The manual is right here. So let me read what is written here. Power supply. The unit accepts this 24 volts. So this is it. The picture of this is here. The picture is here. So I'm just going to follow what they have explained here. So guys, I'm going to clear here so that I can display this very well. I'm trying to practicalize what they've written here. So this is going to be in between. Here is going into this place. And here is going into this place. Okay. I'm going to keep this one in its standing position again. Yeah. It's already fused. So I think, so let me do this off camera. I will come back so that I don't show myself. Okay guys, see what happened there. I've opened it. There is no battery inside. So I'm going to get battery for it tomorrow. Or I don't know if I'm doing the wrong thing. I also asked my friends, but I just opened it and there's no battery inside it. When I go out tomorrow, I'm going to get the specified battery. It's written on the manual. Then I would just display it, put it on for you guys to see. So I thought everything was ready now. I just wanted to like showcase it. But as it stands, I'll continue when I buy the battery for it. See you guys later.
The next day.
So guys, I've been able to figure out this. I've gotten battery for the remote, but ideally you don't, it's not compulsory. Yeah, I just checked it that it's not, you can actually do without the remote. You can just plug it directly and it's going to work, but the remote is just to control the brightness, the intensity, the speed. You can actually do without this. I got to know much later. So now let me just plug it and see, and you guys will see how it is. Mm, It's even reflecting my ring lights. So this is how this looks. I'm going to put off the lights. Let me put off the lights so that the color, the brightness will pop. You will see the beauty. Let me put off the lights. A second, please. Here we go. Here we go. So let me control it with the remote controller. This is lovely. Okay, I'm going to reduce the brightness now. It actually works with this. Okay, can you see it's reducing? Can you see? Oh, this is cool. Change the mode. This reminds me of Christmas, Christmas lights. It's very good for Christmas season. So this reminds me of Christmas lights. I'm going to be changing the mode. Can you see this? It's showing itself. This light is showing itself. Can you see this? I'm still changing the mode. I love how this goes. Wow, this is lovely. Then I can also change the speed. So it's not that fast. So let me increase the speed. Can you see it's faster now? But this gift is just amazing. It's amazing. It's faster now. Then I can change it to this. I think I'll prefer this mode. This mode is cool. So if I want it to be very bright, this is me increasing the brightness. You can see it. So let me put on the light, guys. So yeah, you can't really see the beauty because everywhere is bright, but at least I've shown it to you. So let me just keep controlling it. I'm really super excited because it means a lot to me. You guys are just wonderful people. If you were not watching my videos, probably won't have even known anything like this. Oh, this is when the light is 100%. Can you see how bright this is? So this is when it's 50% and this is when it's 25%. Can you see the contrast? So that's all about the unboxing of this gift, and I really wanted to carry you guys along, which I have achieved. So let me set this aside. I want to appreciate YouTube for giving me this. I'm happy, I'm super excited. And for you guys, my subscribers, and those that, randomly come to watch my videos, I appreciate you guys too. You guys are amazing. Yeah, that will be all for this video. Like I said, we hit 2,500 subscribers this week. The channel is 2 years, and so everything just put together in this video. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Um, if you have not subscribed to this channel yet, please do. And don't also forget to turn on your post notification bell so you don't miss out on my amazing videos. If you have any video you want me to make, you can put it in the comment section. Depending on how convenient it is, I would do the video. Maybe you have any style to make, yeah, so I can do the video. So keep staying tuned. I love you all and bye.